There x is equal to root 2. So find out this is value. First we put the x is equal to root 2 and x is equal to root 2 and this is the square, and there is the x is equal to root 2. This is x is equal to root 2 and this is the 8. And now root 2 square is the 2 and this cut. So this is the root 2, this is the root 2 and this is the 2 and root 2, root cut, square and root. So this is the value of 2 and there is root 2 and this root 2. So this is the half, root 2 means half and this is the power of 8. So now half and 8 is cut, this is 4. So there is a root 2 square, this is the similar cut, there is a 2 and there is the root 2 and there is the 2 and this is the cut, there is a 4. So this is the 4 and now this is the 2 and there is the root 2. So there is the root 2 and this is the 2 4. So 2 4, this is the 2 to the power 4 is the 16 and there is the 2 and this is the root 2 is half and there is the 16 this power and cut, this is the 8. So from here this we can write there is a 2 and this is the 8. So 2 to the power 8 this is here and 2 and this is the 2 to the power 8 is the 56. So 256 to the power 8 and this is the total value is 258. So this is the value is 258 if x value is root 2. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.